Mike, glad you could stop by. Did the Back to Basics Council decide what you want to work on first?
Yes, we did. The rigs look like a linen bomb went off inside of them, and the station needs to be decontaminated.
Well, that's certainly a project everyone can get involved with right away. What's the first step?
It's more complicated than we thought. There's the ambulances, and the cots, and then there's station duties. And everybody has a different way to clean.
I see what you mean. Do you know why and how the cleaning should be done?
Shouldn't we have to decide how we want to do the cleaning first?
One step at a time. You can figure out how to get there if you don't know where you're going. What would you like to see by the time you get done with the cleaning SOP?
Short of using a flamethrower on the toilet, I would like us to have clean rigs, a clean station, and clean cots.
Fair enough. What did the council decide would be the best approach for a clean ambulance?
We need to make a checklist for how to take care of the ambulance and the cot at the end of every shift, and in between calls. I guess we can combine our different ways of doing that.
How did you intend to handle station duties?
Everyone would have to chip in, even the day cars. Maybe have each car do a certain task at the end of each shift.
Sounds like a plan. Let me make sure I've got this right. You'll want to assemble an SOP that describes how to clean the ambulance and cot between calls, how to clean the ambulance at the end of shift, and how to divide up duties to clean the station at the end of shift. Why is this important?
That's easy. It's because everybody wants to use a clean toilet, and nobody wants to live in a messy rig.
How would this work with the TLCSs?
Timeliness, looking good, customer service, and safety? I think this would fall under looking good. The ambulance and the cot should look good for both the patient and the patient's family.
And for facility staff members that ride along. Okay, I think you have a good handle on your goal. All you need to do now is write up what the council intends to do and why. I want you to make up something called a 1-minute goal. Write down what we just talked about, what you want to do, and why it's important. Don't forget to mention the TLCSs. Keep it down to 250 words and bring it to me on Thursday, along with a rough outline of what steps should be taken to put a rig to bed.
It still seems like a lot.
If you keep your eye on your goal, everything else will fall in line. You already have a direction figured out. I'm looking forward to seeing what you and the council come up with.